The Xenvo WML-45 Pro lens kit has been getting a lot of attention, but is it really worth considering? In this video, we'll explore its features and performance to help you decide. Check the description for more information. Let's begin. Ever snapped a family photo in the park, only to realize half the group got cut off? That's exactly when the Xenvo Pro lens kit saves the day. Compatible with iPhones, Androids, even tablets, this kit packs a 0.45x wide-angle lens to capture 45% more in every shot. No dark corners, no weird warping. The 15x macro lens? Perfect for close-ups, think intricate petals or tiny tech details, sharp every time. And that glow clip LED light? No more blinding phone flashes. 3 brightness settings mean perfect lighting, even in dim restaurants or cozy cafes. The kit also comes with a sturdy clip, a rechargeable light, a travel case, and a quick-release lanyard so you're never fumbling for your lens. At 4.2 stars with over 21,000 reviews, this kit delivers where it counts. If you're tired of mediocre phone pics, this is the upgrade you need. Grab yours now, the link's in the description. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.